Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Akash here, and in this video we are going to do the quick unboxing and review of the Oral-B Vitality 100 toothbrush. So this is an electric toothbrush and it comes in three colors, that is this white one, and there's a blue one and a black one. So let's get started without further delay, and I'll be placing the links to buy these brushes in the description below. First we'll unbox this Vitality 100 and then we'll proceed to the review. So as you can see here, this is a decently built package and it has a 2-minute quadrant timer. But it basically means that it will vibrate for 30 seconds, then it will stop for a second, so that you know that it's time to switch the quadrant while brushing your teeth. And the MRP here is 1600 rupees, but I got it for 1280. So let's cut it open. And as you can see here, this is the white version that I've got. It has an instruction guide, and let's open this up. And this here in the box is basically the charger. So let's take it out. And as you can see here, it is well packaged to prevent from any damage. And basically there's not much here, and it lacks any kind of notification LED that the charge is on or off. So that's a big con here, and that's something I really didn't like about it. Now let's move on to the brush, and here it is in the glorious white color. So basically this is the brush and it rotates 360 degree, as you can see. So having a look at this brush, here there's a charging port at the bottom. Well, not really a port. So it basically seems to be quite resistant to water. I wash it after brushing and I haven't had any issues of damage or anything. And make sure that when you buy this, that you completely drain its battery and do not place it on charge immediately, because then you wouldn't know if the charger is actually working. That's actually a big con here. And at the bottom you found that, and you can remove this brush like this and it comes off. So you can replace this, and this can be replaced like this. All right, and here's the button. So basically you just turn this on and it starts rotating, and it makes considerable noise, as you can see here. And after each 30 seconds this will turn off, telling you that you need to switch, but there's no any kind of notification light here. As you can see, there is no indication of whether the brush is charging or not. So that's something really disappointing, and that would have taken just 1 or 2 rupees to add. Just add a simple light, and that's a very basic thing that is not present, which is really annoying. I think for the price of 1280, this is a pretty good brush, and it does help in cleaning the teeth more properly and better. And overall I'm quite impressed with this product, except for the charging. It takes really long time, like several hours to charge this brush to full, and I think it takes about 10 to 15 hours from what I've read. And since there's no LED light indicating when it's full charge or not, I cannot really confirm whether it's full charge and in how much time. And also another con is that the time duration for which you can use it after fully charging it is quite less. So basically I recommend that you charge it almost every second day for several hours. Otherwise you may be left without any battery in the morning, and which would be a bad way to start the day. So basically they claim that you can have fully charge it and have a week's worth of battery, and that sounds a lot, but actually it is basically like 2 minutes in the morning, 2 minutes at night. That is 4 minutes a day, and that into 7 is 28 minutes. So basically you get half hour worth of use after charging it for 10-12 hours or maybe more. So you have to be careful with charging this brush and make sure that it is properly stuck in, because there's no LED light indicating whether it's charging or not. But overall I'm quite impressed with this product, and I would definitely recommend it to you. And you can buy it from the links in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, click on the like button, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.